cab back off this thing and then start working on the transmission mount. Get a cooler radiator out. It's gonna fall and get damaged. Do. I think Jacob said he's coming by.
Oh, really?
Next time you're in the shop, yep. That's all I got. So my plugins will show up. Okay. Probably takes the drive line out, get it out of my way. Got it. I think it should be at the same height as that, unless moving the motor back, it came down a little bit too. Just put the tranny in first.
Yeah, see where it sits.
Put some bells and bolts on it so you can see where it's at. That thing? Got like a port on the side of it. I don't know what that is. Someone's been in here with a bunch of Sharpie marks.
Yeah.
No?
Well, one side was. Degrees. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, if I could take that thing on a date first, fella.
Hey, don't be jealous, man.
Tell him bring out the tube bender. Ciao.
Only lasted 2 notches, it was a full battery.
No way. Nailed her, bud. Oh, thanks. And what's that? Winter sprint cars.
I don't know
Yeah.
where to go. You still ain't been yet, Trevor?
No.
Your whole life, never?
Taking people for the first time is fun.
Yeah, it is. I know. I took my friend.
Because they get to be like, whoa, what is
I
that?
took my friend Christian with Andy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we met Andy there, and I was like, "Oh, Chris, what are you doing today? Like, you want to go see sprint cars?" I said, "Fuck yeah!" Yeah, we
I'm gonna get you an end mic clip.
Oh.
Pretty good little mask. Watch Papa weld.
I didn't need nuts. So where are you gonna put the bolt?
From the back to the front?
The other way.
From the front to the back.
Although I didn't start until like 1 o'clock, and then
She's on there, guys.
do it again, bigger.
What's happening?
Huh?
I don't have to worry about that. Working on cork clips. We're 6 inches tall, 8 inches tall, 4 inches tall, 10 inches tall. And then we have jack stands too, but I barely use the jack stands. I use the blocks more than the jack stands.
blocks for? They like go.
Well, guys, here it is. It was getting super late the other night, and we were all getting tired, so we just closed up shop and called it a day. So yeah, here's the transmission mount we finished up. Grab this light. See your little side brackets we welded on there, and then bent up the tube and made all the brackets myself. First time really doing anything like that, so I'm glad it turned out pretty decent. Ugh. Next step is to just lower this cab back down onto the truck and then figure out how much we got to cut for the floor. But I think this is going to be it for this video. We tried a little different with the different camera and having someone else film rather than everything on the GoPro, but I'm not sure how it came out. We'll see. It's definitely a lot easier using the GoPro than anything else. I got quite a mess here I need to pick up and get back in order so I can get some more work done. Thank you guys for checking it out. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, stickers for sale on the website, and I'll have some other t-shirts and stuff on there soon. But yeah, thank you guys for checking it out. I'll see you guys in the next video.